Cleaning coils is a necessary step in any equipment maintenance plan or recurring clean and check program. New Calgon offers a full line of quality specialty chemicals and cleaning tools to help technicians perform this necessary task easily and professionally. As professional HVAC technicians, it is important to understand the benefits that cleaning outdoor coils offers your customers, as well as to know the best practices that ensure each job is performed efficiently, safely, and with outstanding, repeatable results. Outdoor coils are exposed to conditions which allow dirt and debris to get caught in the fins of the coil. Water alone will not remove this dirt and debris, so it is important to use a coil cleaner like New Bright, the #1 coil cleaner on the market, which is specially formulated with additives to produce heavy, stable foam, emulsifying grime in its foaming action. Additionally, these additives lift and hold debris away from surfaces to prevent it from redepositing on the coil before rinsing. New Bright, as well as all other New Calgon coil cleaners, are highly concentrated and chemically designed to be mixed with water across a wide range of dilution ratios to provide the best cleaning available for a variety of soil loads and applications. Once you've pre-rinsed the coil with water to dislodge potential surface debris, it's time to clean. Use of the New Calgon coil gun takes the guesswork out of the dilution process. Unlike other sprayers, which require you to combine water with the coil cleaner in a separate step, the coil gun does the mixing for you thanks to the specially equipped mixing head that siphons the cleaner through the coil gun when the sprayer handle is depressed. The new 50-foot CoilMate hose, with its durable reinforced construction, crush-proof solid brass fittings, and FlexGuard collar, is ideal for use with the coil gun. Simply add New Bright or other New Calgon coil cleaner to the coil gun container. Determine the appropriate dilution ratio for your application. Set the dial on the mixing head to the corresponding setting, and connect the coil gun to the anti-siphon sprayer handle and accompanying foam wand. It's that easy.
Slips, trips, and falls are no laughing matter. In fact, they're one of the leading causes of injury on the job, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Fortunately, by using a few common sense strategies, you can greatly reduce the number of slips, trips, and falls at your company. That helps limit workplace injuries and minimize lost workdays. The first thing to do is investigate every slip, trip, and fall, no matter how minor it seems. Your investigation can reveal dangers that could result in a major incident next time. The investigation should focus on where incidents typically occur. These include doorways, ramps, cluttered hallways, places with heavy traffic or uneven surfaces, and areas where wetness or spills are common. In addition to investigating all incidents, be sure to have the right type of floor covering in place. There are a number of things to consider. These include
what kind of spills might occur, the kind of equipment that we have, and the fluids that may be around that equipment. But we also have to think about sanitary conditions, and even noise might be a concern because if it's too noisy, then employees cannot hear warnings. Another consideration would be areas with heavy foot traffic.
You might also want to consider slip-resistant mats for extra protection where spills are likely. Some mats even help guide water, grease, and other fluids away from the walking surface. The third strategy is to outfit employees with slip-resistant footwear, especially if they work where surfaces are wet or greasy. Employees who need to move rapidly from one type of floor to another would also find slip-resistant footwear helpful. The fourth strategy is to train employees how to deal with spills and cluttered walkways. Make sure employees are aware that they should keep aisles clear and floors clean, and have managers post signs to warn people about slippery areas. Managers should also remind employees, if you drop it, pick it up. If you spill it, wipe it up. And go where you are looking and look where you are going. Not every slip, trip, or fall is the result of a wet or cluttered floor. Sometimes poor lighting is the cause, or it may be how an employee acts. You can minimize these types of falls by making sure there's adequate light and showing people how to change their behavior.
Some tips that we may offer to help employees change their behavior would be to use your feet as a probe. Keep your head up when walking so that you can maintain your natural center of gravity. But also you have to be aware of your surroundings. Always know when things are changing so that you can react appropriately. If you do find yourself falling, be very conscious of what you're doing to help stop that fall.
It's also good to advise employees against carrying items that block their view. Use these 4 strategies to reduce slips, trips, and falls at your company. It's good for your employees, and it's good for your business.
The smart world of Testo. As a service technician, you depend on your instruments to maintain air conditioning and refrigeration systems. Testo now offers the perfect solution to your test and service needs. Using the Smart Probes refrigeration kit, you can easily check a system for proper functionality without affecting the system. If it is determined that servicing is required, one of Testo's high-performance digital manifolds can then be utilized for a complete system service. The Smart Probes refrigeration kit offers a complete and compact method for initial testing. It consists of two 549i pressure measuring probes and two 115i pipe clamp probes. With today's highly efficient heat pump and air conditioning systems, there are precise specifications called for by equipment manufacturers. However, this critical pressure balance can be lost once a technician connects the hose from their manifold to check the system's charge. With the Testo Smart Probe refrigeration kit, testing can be accomplished without pressure or refrigerant loss, meaning the system is still balanced even after testing. For further convenience, all of your measurement data streams directly to Testo's powerful Smart Probe app and is collected in an easy-to-read format, automatically calculating superheat and subcool measurements. The measurement data can then be sent or saved via email, all from within the app. If full system servicing is required, Testo's 557 digital manifold is a smart choice. The Testo 557, offering Bluetooth, 4 valves, and an external vacuum probe, means it is ideally suited for full system service. After connecting to the system, the 557 instantly begins to calculate evaporation and condensation temperatures, as well as superheat and subcool measurements. The external vacuum probe can be directly connected to the system, eliminating the need for pulling vacuum through hoses and manifold valves, providing faster and more reliable evacuations. Automatic heat pump mode detects pressure changes and automatically adjusts to display the correct superheat and subcool measurements. And for further convenience, a Bluetooth-equipped manifold can connect to any smart device using the Testo refrigeration app. The app allows for simultaneous measurement display between the instrument and your smart device. Once your service is complete, the detailed data gathered by the app can easily be sent as a report at the push of a button. The report can then be saved by you or your customer for future analysis, ensuring clutter-free record keeping. With Testo's smart instruments in hand, both testing and servicing has never been so easy. The Testo 770 hook clamp meter is essential for checking and troubleshooting HVAC systems. It provides clear and accurate measurement results, including inrush starting current, voltage, capacitance, resistance measurements, and much more. The unique hook-on clamp function is ideal for safely and easily separating wires. You can simply release the wire when testing is complete, thanks to the retractable post. This ease of use enables you to quickly and accurately capture measurement data. The Testo 770-3 is equipped with Bluetooth and connects directly to Testo's powerful Smart Probes app. This allows for remote data monitoring and the ability to create custom reports that can include a reference picture and be sent via email for paper-free organization. The Testo 770-3 features true RMS and includes real-time power in watts and power factor measurements. This makes energy efficiency calculations quick and easy. Thousands of loyal Testo customers can now experience the outstanding quality they expect from an exciting new line of electrical instruments.
Inficon's D-Tech Select is a reliable, highly sensitive, handheld refrigerant leak detector. Originally introduced in 1993, D-Tech used the same sensor technology which was found in Inficon's high-end benchtop leak detectors. Throughout this evolution, Inficon continues to offer affordable, handheld refrigerant leak detectors for the HVAC, refrigeration, and automotive service industries. D-Tech Select is laboratory accurate. This next-generation refrigerant leak detector uses infrared absorption that is extremely sensitive to all CFC, HCFC, and HFC refrigerants, including R22, R404A, R410A, R134A, and the new HFO 1234YF. The heart of D-Tech Select is the infrared cell. This sensor is handmade in the Syracuse, New York factory and doesn't degrade over time like other heated sensors. The cell's lifetime is long and the response is always reliable and accurate. Inficon's infrared cell is the only field-serviceable IR cell in the industry. The sensor is easily accessible and swapping out the sensor can be done in seconds. D-Tech Select is toolbox tough. D-Tech Select contains the most robust filter in the industry, blocking contaminants from entering the detector. Its hydrophobic design prevents water, oil, or other liquids from damaging the sensor. Other features of D-Tech Select include rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery, AC charging plug, vehicle charging adapter, and auto-manual zeroing capabilities. D-Tech Select is designed and assembled in the USA and carries an industry-best 2-year over-the-counter warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Contact Inficon or your local distributor to learn how the D-Tech Select can make you more efficient on the job site. Inficon, laboratory accurate, toolbox tough. Inficon's GasMate is a reliable combustible gas leak detector. This handheld instrument is the ideal tool for locating leaks in heating or refrigeration applications that contain hydrocarbons or flammable refrigerants. These applications can include a gas stove, hot water tank, public utility lines or meters, commercial or residential refrigerators, and automobiles. GasMate detects many combustible gases commonly found on the job site: natural gas, R290, R600A, R441A, methane, hydrogen-forming gas, and more. And when you think you don't have a leak, think again. With sensitivity as low as 1 part per million, you'll find very small leaks. That's accuracy. GasMate's touchpad makes it easy to adjust sensitivity for different situations. Start by powering on the leak detector and make sure GasMate is set to high sensitivity mode. After a short warm-up, you can begin leak checking. The LED lights signal the intensity of the leak. When the leak is discovered, switching to low sensitivity helps pinpoint the leak source. GasMate's ultimate sensitivity locates leaks fast, even in tight places. The sensor is easy to replace with no calibration needed. Just install the new sensor and power on. After a brief warm-up, you're ready to find more leaks. Safety is a major concern when working with combustible gases or flammable refrigerants. GasMate is certified intrinsically safe for use in explosive environments, so you can leak check with confidence. And best of all, GasMate is designed and manufactured in the USA and comes with an industry-best 3-year replacement warranty. Contact Inficon or your local distributor to learn how GasMate can make you more productive and safe on the job site. Inficon, laboratory accurate, toolbox tough.